Hey guys, today I will be discussing what is DevOps. So guys, watch till then in order for you to have a deeper understanding. So I made this table over here so we can understand them more. So guys, DevOps is a method of working that brings together software developers and IT operation teams to work more closely. So pretty much it focuses on automating tasks and speeding up the process of building and testing or releasing a software. So guys, DevOps help companies release software more quickly. So pretty much it fixes the issues faster and improve the overall quality. So it helps team work together more efficiently, and this lead to better products and faster delivery. So guys, DevOps focuses on automation to make the development process smoother. So it uses tools to continuously test and deploy software without delays. So pretty much it helps teams solve problems faster, and pretty much it improves the software over time. So guys, the similar tools like Jenkins, Docker, and Git are commonly used in DevOps to automate tasks and track the changes. So guys, DevOps leads to faster product updates and more reliable software. And there you go. I hope this video helped you understand more on what is DevOps. And there you go. See ya.